Welcome to your number one podcast in the land. Pass and Move is the name of the show, and always proudly brought to you by Benaya Foods, our number one sponsor. Coming to you ngemva kweviki ebimnandi kakhulu kwamagama koBulawayo, where we saw a lot of things that were happening and very, very tricky results around the country. Eish, Toby.
Hayi viki isihamba la.
Yazi ngihlala ngikhohlwa into eyi-one nje. Ngihlala ngikhohlwa into eyi-one but senzama these days. Abantu bathi hayi nje kumele phela lisitshele ukuthi ungubani. Thina ukubhala nje ukubhala kwesinye isikhathi asikuncane. Mina ngazi abantu babe sebefunani.
Abantu babefuna into ezinjani eziproper la ukuthi alamhlanje hamba lo Tobi.
Manje uyawubhalile labana Archford Hadiwe, Crispin Machis. So bele sihlale sithi ukuthi
asihlala sesilabantu ama-fans amatsha.
but
sesilabantu abaningi abatsha ababuyayo. So asomele sihlale sibakhumbuza. Sitshele lababuyayo ukuthi
uqinisile. On that note, I'm your host Archie Hadiwe. I'm with our resident analyst.
Crispin Machis.
Still active.
Very active.
Yeah. So Toby, ahle singene endabeni nje. We've seen ama games weekend.
After break le national team yasenzela kuhle sure.
Saphumula. Sesibona ukuthi what took place. Sesiqase ngeSaturday. The Zimbabwe Premier Soccer League matches that took place
on Saturday.
First up, it was Tailwan versus Cape United. Where we saw Cape United. Karukhamba njani ukuthi?
Usasenzima. I think since bengabantu abatsha basafuna uhlanganisa i-team. Plus manje bebedlala i-team la ele-form enganisha. I-Tailwan they are doing well. I-Tailwan they are doing well. So far yibo abantu ubona ithi form yabo ayihlanga. Home they are grinding results.
So from the start of this year's show, sikhangela i-Premier Soccer League. Yakhuluma ukuthi Cape endlela iqine ngayo.
Yiko bele ngikutsho ukuthi nami senze ngiconfused ukuthi kanti sasithi iqine njani because ama results ayala. Ayala wesi ungakhangela like home kade sibavele bavela kuyawina ku-triangle ngofishi ye-struggle yayo zithi
Triangle.
Ye-struggle but nxa lifuna something lifuna i-league yiwo ama-game okuwina abo-Tailwan
for team
njenge-Cape suthi sibone ukuthi hhayi kuyafiwa sibili this year ubona kubo-Tailwan but manje i-Tailwan iyatshengisa ukuthi hhayi they are not adding numbers.
So Tailwan idla i-Cape
1-0.
Ngemva ukuthi i-Cape besiyi-team esiyikhangele.
Bekuyi-team latade sithi hhayi.
And now Tailwan is now the surprise package.
Wonke umuntu kade seyivulela amehlo manje ukuthi abantu la plus uNavaya is doing well. Scoring every game. I think you said 4 goals.
Ngobele 3.
Ushosha every game.
Then there was another one, a big one also, is Jawan.
Le straight through. Eyabidlalile sibili yawina 1-0.
It was an obvious match. Both teams
coached well.
Very
coached
well coached. Ngapha kunomtasa, ngapha kulomabhizi. But I'm quite impressed ngeMozi.
Lami kakhulu. Because iMozi zithi songani big team be.
But ngendlela vele bekhalela ngawo ngena ku-Premier League
kanya babekwazi abakufunayo.
Vele and they did not buy much. That's what's surprising me.
Abathenga kakhulu, abathenga big names abayenzangani bona.
Home abadleki.
Home vele ndoda.
Away they're getting a point.
Which is good.
Premier
League. Okubi lose.
Ilose mdala
aliphenduki. Lose aliphenduki.
Ungabona i-team ikwanisa ukuthi because utravel eZimbabwe we've talked about this.
Kunzima.
Ku-Premier League.
Kunzima.
Going away from home.
Vele kunzima.
It's never
easy. Uliyobuya le point. Wethu ku-platinum.
Zishamani Mandawa. Uyabuphume njani? Akuphumeki.
Awuphumeki
It was a stalemate 0-0.
Hayi,
Shows
it was
ukuthi
a
both
good
teams have
result.
got good
Defensive baba blind bona njenge-Platinum yes
i-Platinum
defensive
West, awumbuka abavuzisa.
abavuzi kulelinye manje lithengele imalawi so iqinileyo
eChalombo emuva.
kuthiwa nguNyasulu mbe kuthiwa ngubani
Emuva
le-defender wama-international defenders
and you have to prove nxa uvela phandle.
mawavela phandle vele wena kula ngenye indlela awumelanga ufanane laba
Umele ukubuhle ukukhanya ukuthi hayi
ukuthi hayi wena
I'm a
lapha
foreign
sokuthethe la kukhanya i-difference.
there is another team that's doing well, i-Greenfield.
Isiphikile
Greenfield played against i-Bikita Mineral
and yahlohla
and be away.
yahlohla 4 imagine eZimbabwe uhlohle 4 goal
And kona kule into emfuna siyithi nje kanti uchitiwe ungakanani. Phela indaba le iyahlupha. Siyakwazi phela nabafana bebhoro ngehlisa iminyaka.
awusho 33 I think
Uchitiwe umuntu odala edlala ibhora yena. Ronald Chitiwe.
hayi kwakudala
Ronald Chitiwe ngokuthi yazi ngizibuzile uchayi brace.
brace engene isapho bayi
Wangene
isapho wacha brace last week uhlohlile futhi before break lapha
but ubikha nje sipe Greenfield.
anti wayelo pasuwa
Emalawi.
Yuko wasikile kathesi baba
Uchitiwe Uchitiwe
hayi amangwebholo
uyaprove
ayabe prove ukuthi hayi lokho kusakhona
yazo wayimbuza ngacina mbona phela umnye sepostele ebhedi kuba social zabonanga
basosha media memangalo kathi uStiwe wawufaka kathi ungakanani kathi
bese zomnye siStiwe labo 40
ukuthi abantu badlala kubonozi liyakuthi hala
kuyafana nabantu badlala eli abantu base beconfuse machisa kade ungakanani wona udlala labo 17 udlala emasini so which means uchitiwe la waqhaza eli
waqhaza eli ngoba umonozi yabona
yakudala
mfana omncane ngaba Stiwe ngwele
iGreenfield idli iBikita Minerals 4-2. It's a good result for iBikita Minerals but ngemva kokubuya vele from 2-0 down kuwayelenda
ilokhu zenini iGreenfield
it showed ukuthi iGreenfield
hayi iqinile yena bale good side because very first half wasokuyi 2-1 uyawunda uBikita aba struggle ungabona woma lidliwa 4 ube struggling woma kuyena
akuvuma then ingezi Platinum ibile triangle
sasikhulumile ukuthi one not yaphela
hayi triangle ziyaphela
akuyala
ingezi ngenye futhi ehome engadlekile
vele ingezi kunzima even away ayisokidleki ingezi
umbani ohlohlile kungezi
ungezi anisabonanga ukuthi ngubani owahlohleleyo
because umfana mndisi akadle
uChirindi ayikakahle akathesi kakahle
4 games ungakadli Chinese it's a warning situation alona phela ngo-top marksman nje vele
alona uyahlohla ungavuleka kuhle kudla
yakwazi wayemsitsho njani anti la season uqale season phakathi
but wahlohla amaningi
so bengizitshela this season vele uyakhona
but isasekhona as time goes on yabo sihloko usadinga ilokhu zenini image fitness lani until engakuthola kuhle awuChirindi
15
awuChirindi uyahluka
ngiyakwazi ukuthi yahlupha ikonsithi after 4 games yakahlohla it's a worrying factor kimi ukuthi hayi ndoda top marksman 4 games nokobhora kwasto awucheck ukuthi mbani oChinese namhla sekufake behind the scenes
hayi bengamangala abalaleli khona behind the scenes
anti ukuthi shooter on a day obengana kula transport a lot of things are happening 31 March yabo so
we are doing our best with abalaleli sibanikeze
yes we have to thina vele make sure amelanga aseyini so sithe sanokwazi simbrele namhle bengu-sound man ebengale kuma awusichekeli ungathola uzasitshela ukuthi baro China then i-rentals idobhe yadraw le money card Tomani Madananga
ngohlohlele ingezi one not
so uChirindi akuyayilahla
kusasenzima wesiloli defender njalo ngani phambili abakabi clinical shap ikonsithi it takes time but it's game 4
it's game 4
antsho yabona it's early days
njenxa uyi-striker sidlale 4 games ungakachayinate
yakwanisa uyichaye i-trick webuyayo nje.
ngithi but yawazi i-trick
Angiyakuzwa.
Swearing. 4 games.
ayisiwa mina lena bese ngiworried uyi-striker nje 4 games at least udla one yabo
khona kunjalo.
then move on to i-Rentals le Manica Diamonds
It was a game
1-1
1-1. Wesibili idabhile i-Rentals. Mawufuna i-Rentals vele
umbuzo lo ngizawubuza umdala onezeke
ngikwazi ukuthi ulandile.
ngizawubuza umdala onezeke udlala ibhola i-team le amadoda hhayi
Kodwa babefaka 100% abafana laba.
senze mvuma kanje
Babefaka 100%.
umdala uyaqalisa 45 minutes ehlala phansi
ehlale phansi. But i-result
always favor ihlale bafavor abadleki
vele kwabanzima. Manje wona isimba la yawina 1-0 kona
nzima
nzima. Manje wona into kuyayokhanja.
nzima
Imagine home yawo. Kuyabe kunzima.
then our representative this side the southern region had to travel be-ZPC Karib
Team enkulu.
team enkulu according to McLeod
Hayi team enkulu kunzima abakathi. Kunzima because abakatholi win phe.
Hayi.
4 games.
in 4 games abala win
Abala win. Bale 1 goal.
eish
Yani
lena
basohla ku platinum.
platinum ehla ku platinum kuphela
Anje awundi vele it's worrying vele already. Ayila win ile 1 goal.
chicken
Ngapha-
what's happening
i-ZPC ngale vele ukuthi libadle imali idlalile i-draw.
what's
Mina
happening
bengizitshela
with
ukuthi
Chicken
babuya
Wing?
le draw.
Eh?
Bengizitshela ukuthi babuya le draw ngayo.
nduta vele o-ZPC Karib i-chicken Wing phela so team encane
I-team enkulu. I-team enkulu i-team ade sikhangelele vele ukuthi layo iyakwanisa ibikhona ba.
yabona ngenye into check only got 2 teams lawo left
Ngapha ilokhu kade siyabafake phansi ku-relegation sesala sile boys.
madoda hayi chicken Wing akukhanyi because unga-check-a even ilokhuzeni ilokhu sesiyi-check ilokhu but uzabona ukuthi why I'm so worried about
Sesiworried ukuthi khathi
yes you understand it's alien
asiwin.
but kwesinye isikhathi abantu check ibhora layo yebo yi-marathon but nxa lingavele isuku kwesinye isikhathi uyakwazi ukuthi uba semuva uthi usalusala
Vele uyasalusala. Uzani bathatha ama-points early days.
early days you
Ngoba
understand
mase zichibilikelana laphana sokuyilahla. Wonke umuntu usefuna umaintaina manje.
you understand yimi
Ngoba khathesi isikhathi sokuthi ama-points ethathu. Mawufuna ubalekela i-relegation kuyomele uqalise khathesi.
masinya
Ufuna uthatha i-championship khathesi vele. Ukwenza ukuthi ngale uyakwanisa ukuthi maybe ungathola 1 point uyabusefu uthole 3 points.
because chicken Wing has played 2 games at home man
Wonke ama-draw.
wonke ama-draw
Yahamba yadraw futhi away kuyada.
yahamba yadraw the yada beyi-12
Base beziyadliwa
khathi sebedliwe
i-Carib.
yi-Carib
Khathesi
which means they're just on 3 points
3 points 1 win.
behlohle 1
1
goal
goal.
Eish.
It's
Ayikahle kusitshela
worrying.
ukuthi sesingathi naselele team eyo kumele sibafone angutsheni ma kumele sikhulume labo sibafonele sibatshele ukuthi hayi madoda
Zabaningi.
phela yabona this year kunzima njani
kunzima akulabhora.
Akulabhora.
Akulabhora kubona iPF kuyabe kugcwele ngoba abantu
You understand?
isizungu. Phela abantu bakhipha izungu ngebhuku.
ebhoreni
Ebhoreni kuyabo lawo imindi eba free khona. O-enjoy.
so you consider i-chicken is very very worrying
ha
xa
ngoba
lebe lidliwa ngabo-ZPC because uCarib you cannot expect yes it's football we know ukuthi
uthi away kunzima.
but etimini enje-chicken mdala
Kumele at least ngaye yazama ukuya le draw.
kubeke bekungcono bese sikwazi
Because
is a
iluzi
pick
inzima uthi khathesi into abethe pressure ukuthi home somele kube must win vele. Ivile uyayo must win. So
So those were, I can just give you a rundown of the matches that we played on Saturday. Saturday, it sitting was the 29. Saturday, 29 March 2025. And this senzela laba abafoyithu abambayimba
sebona sithi kathi lawa
ukuthi
game le kathi
yabo so tell 1-0 over Cape United, FC Platinum stalemate Lemos, Bikita Minerals 2, Green Fuel 4, Yata 3, Ikwekwe United 0, Ngezi 1, Triangle 0, ZPC Kariba 1, Chicken Inn 0, Rentals 1, Manica Diamonds 1.
Welcome to Benaya Foods, your trusted supermarket where quality meets affordability. From everyday essentials to beauty products, we have got you everything you need under one roof. But that's not all. We take pride in producing our own high-quality mealie meal and nutritious soya beans, ensuring you get the best straight from us to your table. With great prices, friendly service, and a commitment to excellence, shopping has never been this easy. Step in today and experience convenience like never before. Benaya Foods, the Royal Pantry.
Then on Saturday with only 2 matches.
On Sunday.
Sorry, yes, this was Saturday, 29. Then Sunday, the 30th. Of which we zone. With only 2 games that took place. We saw Dynamos collecting their first 3 points.
First 3 points in style.
Over
Zimbabwe.
but I would have style change to go Rudlisin.
Ndoti win. Win.
3 points.
3 points. Kumele udliswe yi-1 ikuthi kube yi-3 points.
But uJoel uluphahle zama ukuprotect ukeep.
Uteka blame keep. Blame keeper but 3 points. Because ukeeper I think ilapana le defender ba miscommunication. Because ukeeper ubephumile sithi kahle njani? Likhatheli defender lalo. Lile national team.
Mbani?
Uthiwa mbani? Wathi national team weSimba. Wahle waphuma la bathuzana impela la sifica unyawo ezimini. Wahlohla emthinet.
Yajabuli 7,000.
Lahlela.
Yajabuli 7 ande akusaye 7 million. 7,000. Yajabuli 7,000.
Lahlela phela nje.
Ngoba 7 million bathi sihambe. 7 million bathi sihambe ngale.
Sihambe was good.
But it's good for Dynamos.
Akakhulu. Bomablanyo akakhulu.
It's good for
Kuzikala lose.
3
draws,
ule
1 win, ule cup. So very konke ku right.
Kusase sharp.
Kusase right. Kusase right. Lama supporters ba.
For Joel Uphahla as coach is not doing well so far. Nxa ukhayela nje ama results.
Wesinge team ande bekhayende ukuthi since pre-season yabo was good. Bathenga ama players, good players.
Everything
wabo kule order. So abantu base befuna ama result. Abantu sebefuna ama result. Hayi.
Abayekile.
Yabo.
And uyabukwazi ukuthi ama support angale.
Wesiyabe sidlo iDynamos ka2.
Yabe dlo iDynamos. Yanti emthatheli cup.
Emthatheli cup isimphindi manje fair.
Eish. Then we move on to the big one that was happening.
ABM
in the city of Kings.
Game yonke umuntu.
But what happened is Gutandile from my side. From it built up
to the game.
Because that town it was black and white, blue and white.
Who is Scottish?
There were lovely scenes.
Yeah.
No, there's something that's happening.
There's a game.
Amabhasi, amakhombi, kugcwele nje fans of both sides. So into lena sesikhulume ngayo because what I like what Islanders did. Islanders into abayenzayo ukuthi lamagate evulwe masinya because amagate avulwe nge-10. Akuzange kube lesixhobe sesifile lapha elokuzeni. Everything ama-line abeflow amnandi. Yabona ukuthi into esesikhuluma ngayo ukuthi bengayenza kube yi-event.
Not just Sunday sonke sithi siye boring.
You understand?
Ngo-10 siyobona ibhora ikhona ukuthi usuke ngabo-2 you have to hayi.
Because abantu besifikile at 5 to 3. Sesibuthana sonke one day.
Maningi but
fast basically. So kuhle khona kuya big up to Islanders abacontinue besenza
besenza njalo ayikhona isenzela isikoti kuphela
Hayi.
Wonke ama-
Wonke ama-team.
onke ama-team
Bengayenzeli not ukuthi iScotland. Abayenzele wonke ama-team. Then to the game side ubone njani to the game itself, sorry.
igame sibili
Ubone njani?
igame thina igame lana to be honest bekuyi-good game, especially when i-Highlanders side. It was a good game because wonke umuntu was expecting ukuthi hayi Scott iyafika vele kube walk in the park vele behle behlohle kumbe 5 yabo, but abafana they give it a fight. They give it a fight yani ukuthi lawo even ungucoach laphana awumelanga usole, you must be happy even though bagcine siba disappointed. Obvious anje ukuthi i-concentration yabafana nge-last minute babulele, but bora ade bedlalile.
Because sike sabuza abantu anti yazilane especially bengichazika nje from what I'm hearing ngezwe amanye ama-support e-Highlanders sithi hayi Scotland 2 Highlanders 0 ngathi but it shows immaturity kuma-supporters side.
Yeah, sometimes kumele uvume phela ukuthi yayibandlanda uGoliath.
You understand?
Mina nguDavid. But mina i-chance angila ngizathi uzangichaya uchomo lo.
You understand?
Uyabona
So khona kuyana kuhle kwambonisa ukuthi ama-supporters they are showing growth and ba appreciate ukuthi i-team lokungane ku-strong.
Strong
yabo.
Sometimes kumele uappreciate. Kumele uappreciate ukuthi hayi i-team le yenza kuhle le labantu abebhora but abethu bengagive i-fight. Well done nguDavid.
And then from i-Highlanders side I liked what kind of it. Into lena besikhuluma ngayo ukuthi be-Beitbridge bebonda be-continue pre-season yabo kubasebenzele
especially building up to this game.
You understand?
Kubasebenzele kakhulu
because you could see ukuthi they are slowly becoming a team.
Exactly.
I liked abafana laba ama-brothers labo omsho abafana
njengalwana omncane onkhona uyenkayo lwana uMasweni hayi played well izolo lo Medikhaya bethu abashildile sibili defense abashildile abayishildile because bebephambanisa wonke ama-movements elokhu zenini
phela boma 20 minutes ama-supporters sithi hayi kuyisikoti lokhu akula lutho lokhu.
Abantu vele bacine exactly into manje nje sikhuluma abantu bathi laba phela abantu laba
badlika phela
laba phela sesingathi kwanza ukuthola i-chance sibabulala abantu laba yabo because obviously vele ama-supporters anti uma befika besenza lapha labe sithi ala sesifile
ukhangela umduwa ufubithaye ama-giant
basimart
understand
la uhluthi laba yi-5
and nxa ukhuluma nge-smartness nje uzisa ubuhlungu ngakhala ikhithi yayilenja nje. I think that's the only thing esisele so kara awuvumi yini ukuthi abantu even benze i-crowdfunding bethengele i-team ikhithi
khathi abathi yabuya yini kumbe yesizini yonke
asikezi i-communication but i-team enkulu njengale 99 years ekhayela ukuthi celebrate i-100 years eminyakeni ozayo lokhana wena ngike ngabona nje ama-pictures kulenye i-picture nza ni-team beyifake la abantu beyibona ndothi even u-Adija lwana sejujukini angutsheli manga
andawatshwa ntwe yabe watshwa ntwe
ayi-one yini
yabe i-one
hayi akukho
yabe i-one
it's a sorry state. Please abantu be-Highlanders if you are watching please improve. Sifuna ikhithi enje ngcono ama-support ethenga ikhithi xa ungela sponsor.
Maybe yabuya
nje sesiku-game 4 besikhuluma sesiku-game 4 already.
And le squad basikhiphe kathi sinduda game 4 so maybe basalungisa
and phana i-squad siya-understand because bebeyile bhani leya so ibhani yabo lana sinjani siphelile. That's why sekwanza urawuji nje
ayizolubechisi
urawuji udlalile hayi sejwayelile ngoba last season but nasibengani bamtshayela ukhwela but is coming back
because kubofumbitsa ngala umgijimisile
awuzwile umdala ukuthi umfana ukhona
wezi-BF yabisinda yabisinda
but ubonile even i-pitch pitch ayenzi nje i-BF kuhamba njani
amanzi isala amanzi
nje sithi bazame la ukulungisa i-ground ngesikhathi because i-BF is one of the best pitches in the country
is the best
so abazama ukulungisa nje i-turf
ibishaba
ubona ibhora limflow like
alila pace
ibhora lihambe liyama yabo and akula zona
maybe i-strategy sabo labade bethi acela ukuthi ichip phezulu
be-maintain loni
ibhora bekwazi ukuthi abantu abasengabaletha ngendlela abagudu ngayo technical into bengagijima but laphana eBF bona basebejayele.
On the part of uNdiraya i-selection yakhe uchiya uKhama lo bomsebe
I think labantu uthe maybe jet lag ukuthi nje abantu abatravelile I think wesona mawule squad lesana sinavumile kube keeper mfaka manje labana maybe uthe since uKhama wadlala 2 games batravelile so la wathi hayi ukuthi basadinweni zabathi sembafaka
ngiyayibona ipoint ofushwe be right
uyabe right
so labantu abangenile somele beprove
simple nxa ungayihli uprove so ukuthi next game abasekho labana sebebuya khokho
hayi
uyabo so yinye advantage ebile Island ibingela umuntu national team bonke batraine bonke ve so la utrainela labana wathi ngcono sibadlalile
sebenze bona
abatrainela otherwise
was the score and fair i-1-0
I think it was painful for Island.
It was very painful.
Yeah, it was very painful.
Last minute.
Because kuhle kwathula stadium sonke ndo. Ikopurela ningena. Wonke umuntu uhle wathula abandebele azu.
But it was to be into lesi sikhulume kakhulu especially mina sengikhulume kakhulu since I think last season. Ngokhayindo. Once team yakhe ya leader. Khathesi usemprove ukuthi ngaze lead 1 minute kusele 1 minute.
Yaphela
bamhlohla.
Yena laphana mina I think
were those substitutions very necessary in
laphana se lead ukuthi laphana yena ukubona kwami bese ufuna ukuthi evale igobhora yona liyana manje the more livala the more lisenza more mistakes yabo because lapho phela igobhora liyana yokuthi ithe ngene yabo lisithi kulo muntu la alo makile omnye icabangela ukuthi ngapha emuva kunjani kushap because wena umsebe uyichayi ilokhu zenini run
in between the defenders
bona vele bengaboni wena nto uface bonke bafese ngayo lo kade ngaba la besithi lo uzayet kanti vele bese kunzima
kind must last week sabona elite wehle ku defend
i2-0
iGreenfield yaphenduka
2-2 le
ndoda kusele
beseliphelile ve ukuthi ngakwamba maybe defend urefu beqeda
but ama coaches side time they understand ukuthi best way to defend is to attack ngoba lokho ubhonga lithi tum liyaphenduka futhi
wesima intenza ke le
ungithi tum liyaphenduka futhi
ehafini yabo manje so manje sithi tum ehafini yabo very fast abantu sebenjani sebepress sebethatha gobhora
eish abakhala
ikross yankona ifakwe phela umntwana ubeduze leseni
kachana
wahlala ifake eboxini ndoda
gobhora
abantu
abakhalile
abantu bakhalile
bese bethabela ukuthi la 3 points
ndoda vele izulu ibhulawa yonke uyahlanya
ndoda
abongekulala ibhulawayo.
Anyway, that was the last game of the week. Islanders Scotland very big game of the week.
Yeah, big game of the week.
Ended 1-1. That's kind of low.
Sibongile ZBC esiletele yahle yasikhiphela.
ZBC is doing a good job. Kaje spell.
Kathi sibenza sharp.
Into abantu sebe complain ngayo.
Balandeli
Scotland.
Abantu sebekhala kakhulu. Ukuthi next week yabisibuye liliyara.
Exactly.
So mele ingene phela kuMandawa la.
Umuntu engakubuza la sikhuluma ngeZBC ngokucomplain ngabantu. uMichael Nielsen ubuyile yini? Ngomunye phela uthanda ubukela
ijet le. Ulele umdala uyacelebrate.
Engayizitsha. Sasikhala ukuthi body lizwe lonke ubukela ama game.
Hayi la
vele bona ngayibona even ama pictures.
Izulu ayizolamboni bekhona.
Hayi bengeke.
Ayizulu bengeke. Amboni.
Nxa yakhutha ama game anga
bekudynamo.
Wethola even imandaba kambanga.
Have maybe bekudynamo.
Umozi Platinum. So ama player wabona sikhathi bani? Because we need the best days.
Yeah, national team.
We cannot be relying ngabo umsono knowledge msona. Kule talent elikhona elingabonakali. Talent
eliningi eZimbabwe.
So ilogo yethu ime kanje. Platinum Star, ingezi Platinum Stars on top.
Hayi.
10 points.
Le yahlupha le ingezi.
So far they're on 10 points. Abakadliwa. Yibo le Moz. Abakatholi lose le Dynamos le Platinum. Yizo zoyi4 ezingakadliwa. So far. So ingezi still unbeaten le 10 points. Moz still unbeaten le 8 points. Followed by Triangle le 1 lose but le 7 points. Le Scotland le 1 lose le 7 points. Manica Diamond 7 points, number 5. Dynamos number 6, le 6 points. FC Platinum le 6 points. The Islander. That's the top 8. Islander top 8. Then says Kaina in bottom 3. Oje sikhuluma lokhana ke i-worrying factor ngechicken in. I-chicken in ku number 16.
16, yeah. Avela uyenza because okhokho baphezulu, oKebisi baphezulu, oyata. Anje wawundi vele.
13 points.
Kuna hayi it's worrying.
Very worrying. Le Caps sasiqinile.
Iqinile la. Anje wabona la ile 4 points.
Ile 4 points.
Akunzima this.
But I want the beauty of football. Ujense league le is not a walk in the park.
Yeah, it's not a walk in the park. Njenga December nizahlupha.
Anti
eziya relegate esi4 uzahlupha.
Yakhanya sibuthi
because ungeke udobha ama points kathi esuseni.
But there's an issue ngiyabona upresident siva president esithi ufuna increase ama team. I think engcono
ufuna be 20 then and wesithi ufuna i-league ngaba le 20 then division 1 be 1.
That's a good move.
That's a good move but yadura
in terms of
imali ndio
ama teaming
traveling imagine phela bana maybe player yabo kule 2 teams every week yabo upandle
travel
so ufunakala imali eningi
and la ukuthi beku process I don't think it will be an issue ukuthi next year
vele
kethatha bo 2 years but
sokusiya yena imali manje kwanisa uthola ama sponsors ehle next year kwenza uyavuma akuyabe kuvuma
so looking into the fixtures of match day 5, Saturday the 5th of April 2025, Manica Diamonds will be taking on Dynamos eSakubva.
Another good game. I give it a draw.
Is it so?
Or a win to
Manica. Manica.
A win to Manica.
Then services say Luveve for chicken investors here in that. Awuzomdala oyithimo
lokho akuvuni
akuzayo chicken uyayidelela kuyayidelela even kuma ubenza
kuyahlupa
ubenza la season wayishayini eLuvivi angutshele ma umdala this will be another interesting fixture chicken investors rentals. Then we've got Simba Bora taking on Tel1 eWatsanai blockbuster inform Tel1 versus Joel Lukasha coached side
lenzima le
the current champions
because ngapha la ile pressure ifuna win
and but it can be a lovely draw. This one can be a lovely draw. Then we've got Imoz versus ZPC Kariba. Imoz straight win. I see Imoz taking this way. Then Kwekwe versus FC Platinum. I see Platinum also. Then Scotland versus Bikita. This one Serufaro.
Scotland straight.
Is it PC when I keep it game?
Vele I saw game. Is it
Simba le Tel1.
Iyo vele game mele phume.
Bese besidlalile. Besibekhipha iluve ichicken le kulo ukuthi belandile futhi Scotland sathi sibone kule problem. Then on Sunday the 6th of April we've got Triangle United taking on Islanders eKipo.
Is it Kipo?
Sibuyelile eKipo. Sibuyelile eKipo.
Maybe singaqala ukukoleka.
EseKipo. Uthi
singaqala ukukoleka si home yayo.
But Islanders must get maximum points. Then the last game of the week is Caps versus Ngezi Platinum. On paper it looks like
it's a good game.
It's a good game, huh?
It's a good game.
Ubona number no ayithatha le.
I mean yaniki ilo Ngezi. So far ngiform ya1.
I think it draw. I think this will be
ibasics esingaba i draw but
1-1. Ngiform abalayo.
Iform abalayo hayi. hayi for mabalaya plus erufaro bake bawina phela batsha esikoleni erufaro so sengayineki ingezi Kebs bakho shabo vela kuluzi ipressure yankuna ngapha le team abadlala layo hayi organized perito yini ingezi hayi ingezi organized defensive hayi yakwanzima ngoba la yabe le pressure
ule pressure
ngoba
i-team
iphansi anjho yabona plus ufuna 3 points vela kuluzi la yabo so manje ingezi yona either draw or win yibo kunjani kushap ngaba labale good team so kunzima it's a good game.
I look forward to all these matches.
I think iyabukelwa
sithi abantu ababe bekobulawayo ngeSaturday let's go and support chicken. Let's beat Eluveve. Say support chicken.
Asiyobona inkukhu.
Ngoba vele akuna indle amela ngiphume. As long as ingekho bulawayo asame say support iqanse lapha lapha ekhona iposition lana ayikho sharp. So thanks Toby.
Thanks lama spins just support like sure.
Be subscribe.
Tshelo munye
you understand?
Munye be like.
So that's it for this week's show.
Sure.
As Utopi said, guys, subscribe, like, comment, press that notification bell. When there's anything that's coming up, ubone ukuthi kuyini okwenzakala ku channel. See you next week, guys. Abazabuye eLuveve sehlane eLuveve.
Uyawudinga abale upass and move.
Kuphela. Sharp.
Welcome to Benaya Foods, your trusted supermarket where quality meets affordability. From everyday essentials to beauty products, we have got you everything you need under one roof. But that's not all. We take pride in producing our own high-quality mealie meal and nutritious soya beans, ensuring you get the best straight from us to your table. With great prices, friendly service, and a commitment to excellence, shopping has never been this easy. Step in today and experience convenience like never before. Benaya Foods, the Royal Pantry.